Hello everyone, welcome back. So final part is the finished Porsche 911 GT2 RS MR combo from KitBox PZY. First up, I want to thank them for sending it out. It was lovely kit to build. I'm not just saying that, it has been a nice kit to build. Sort of falls together, plenty of options with it. So if you want to do the standard RS version, you can. If you want to do the MR version, decals are in there for it. So you've got the slight difference between the two, or you can just sort of build it the way you want to build it, which is how I've sort of gone about it. So with my one, we have gone with, I went with the Violet chromeaflair from Firescale. This one's their water-based paint. So a little 15ml bottle. I probably used about half a bottle on there, I reckon. Went down lovely. Treated it slightly different to the lacquers, giving it a little bit longer drying time between coats. But yeah, it's gone down really well. Didn't react at all with the 2K. Yeah, the 2K brought it up to a nice shine. A few dust spots which were sanded out and then polished back. So yeah, so it's a lovely sort of purple with a green sort of flip to it as well, depending on what light you catch it in. It's, to the naked eye, the colour's better than it sort of photographs or it records. Hopefully during this you'll be able to see the sort of colour change between the two. Yeah, so we went with, say, the chromeaflair for the body. Wheels, they were done in dark bronze, red calipers, and all four of the little tyre valves bottom there, they managed to make the kit again, which was quite good going. I've had a few where they've all made it on now. So that's front carbon ceramic for the brakes. All the sort of the trim work that was done in Mr. Surfacer 1500 Black. It's got a nice sort of shine to it. Just wanted to leave that as it is. All the PE grills and everything else, they were all done in a rubber black, so just give it a little bit of a different color contrast. Decided to go with red as a sort of color scheme, decal wise and interior wise. So we've gone with the red GT2RS decals on the sides and on the rear, and then in the front number plate, because they were slightly etched, just filled them with red paint, sanded them back, and picked out the GT2RS on the front as well. I think it was the same, yeah, same on the rear as well. So you can see GT2 there on the number plate. Porsche badge, decided to pick that out in red, and if it shows up, there's a little RS logo in the rear window about there. Put a little bit of red Sharpie on the back edge, and say depending on what light you catch it in, that sort of shows up, which I think it's a nice sort of, it's a different little touch. Interior wise, went with the red seatbelts and the red stitching for the seats, and and the dash. Don't think you can see. I'll try and drop a picture in. Went with the red dials as well. Drops a little bit of clear gloss on them to act as like lenses on there. Nice thing about the kit, it's got posable wheels at the front, so taking the photos you can just slightly angle them if you want. Yeah, the rest of the interior, so that was done in Firescale Black primer, left as laid, and then Anthrocite was used to pick out the seats. I did have a bit of an issue myself with the decals for the seat inserts. They went down fine, but they were a little bit too shiny for my liking, so I ended up putting a little bit of clear matte varnish on there, and it sort of reacted, which melted them a touch. But with it being in the car, they're not overly noticeable, so I'm not sort of too worried about that. But so it's an issue that I caused. But yeah, other than that, I say the kit went together really well. Big thing probably to notice, decided to go with the rear wing off for this one. I did drop a couple of magnets in the rear wing, and I have magnetized the other section of the rear wing, but I can't get it to sit flat at the moment, so that's something I'm going to come back to. But I do like the look of it without. I think it looks quite nice without, so hopefully I can get the rear wing sorted, and then I'll have the option to have it on or off. But as it stands at the moment, it's without it. I say, and I quite like it like that. It's something a little bit different. So yeah, I say that's my version of it. I will pop up a few finished pictures and probably a little video, and then we'll go from there. So once again, thank you everyone for following, liking, commenting. I appreciate the interaction and the comments and everything else, and I look forward to seeing you when I do, or speaking to you when I do the next one. I'll speak to you all soon.